Hey, what's going on everyone? Today we are diving into Samsung's newest foldable flagship, the Galaxy Z Fold 7. Now, if you are like me, you probably felt a little let down by last year's Fold 6. Yeah, we got a new chipset, but let's be honest, it was basically the Fold 5 with a different name. This year, that changes. The Fold 7 is finally a substantial upgrade both in hardware and user experience. There are some real wins, a few trade-offs, and plenty to unpack. So let's get into it. So let's talk about usability. When the fold is closed, it feels slim, comfortable, and functional. Typing one-handed, totally doable now. No more weird, narrow feel. They really got the ergonomic right this time. And when you unfold it, wow, it opens up to a stunning 8-inch display edge to edge. It's still the biggest screen you can get in your pocket, perfect for reading, editing, gaming, or watching movies. And now it's running One UI 8 on Android 16, which brings a ton of small but smart improvements for big screen multitasking, better split screen behavior, smoother drag and drop, even more responsive resizing. Samsung has clearly refined the dual identity experience, folded and unfolded, and that's a big win. Performance-wise, this thing is a beast. Inside is the new Snapdragon 8 Gen Elite for Galaxy, a chip that's specifically tuned for Samsung devices. Now here is something interesting. Samsung reportedly sells so many of these Galaxy-tuned chipset that they might actually outnumber the standard Snapdragon 8 Elites. So weirdly enough, the Galaxy chip is becoming the norm. Performance is smooth across the board, gaming, multitasking, AI features, no hiccups. It comes with 12GB of RAM or 16GB if you spring for the 1TB storage version, which, let's be honest, you probably don't need unless you live in a CapCut or Adobe Rush. So here is the bottom line. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 is Samsung's most refined foldable yet. It's thinner, lighter, faster, and finally gets the camera it deserves. But they have also cut some things like the S Pen and raised the price. If you have been waiting for a fold that feels like a true daily driver, this is probably the first one that delivers across the board. Would I recommend upgrading from Fold 6? Only if you care about the thinner design and the camera, but if you are new to foldables and want the best, this is it. The Fold 7 is the best foldable Samsung has ever made.